Alright. See, we are working on getting our changes into my fork today. I have a few classes that I added which I need to port over to this fork, and then I will push those to GitHub and make a PR on it. I don't know exactly how the PR will go because I only have Android and they might be not interested in merging the PR with just Android. But I think we are gonna do it anyway. Alright, so we need to compare changes that I made in here to this is the most recent upstream. So see if we can like copy this and paste it here. Yes, I can. I want to add the following to Git. Yes, add to Git. Device utils, I added this one. Copy. Paste. Add to Git. And I added the thumbnail adapter. Paste. And add to Git. And then that might be all the ones that I added. I need to go to the camera plugin because I added some code there. Of course, I don't exactly remember. Compare. Local history. What? I don't know if this has VCS set up properly. No, it doesn't. Okay, that's fine. So I added open multi-camera, which is under the open camera. I put it right there. And I added this to show prompt, which is a new option. Like this. Camera source multi. Did I add a new camera source? No. Let's say we should add a new camera source. How do I actually... if camera... Let's do this. Put this around it. Or oops. Multi. Wait, it checks for either. Okay. Checks for either one. So if it's either... that needs to be capitals. Multi. And let's... so if it's camera or camera multi... okay. Get settings. That's fine. Okay. Open. Do this. Does this check permissions? Okay, so I need to check permissions on mine as well. New. Okay. This is... how do I close that? Okay. I can see what code I added. That's cool. So I added this one here. Then I also added a new method. Hold on. Check camera permissions. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, I added a new thing called... okay, well, I added return multi-camera result and create return from. And then return result I also edited. So we can go to there. Return result. This guy. And where did I put this? Let's see here. Return multi-camera result, create return from, and return result. So I can just go to this method here and do a little thing like that. A paste. And then let's move the return multi-result below here. And let me think if there's anything else I added. I think there was a something when I make this bottom sheet fragment. Didn't I add a thing? Okay, first of all, I did add the capture canceled, which I can add up here. Yes. I think that is all. Did I also changed when it calls the bottom sheet thing? Show prompt. Yes. I added this. Yeah. Show prompt. Okay. And so... is there anything else? Ah, I see. Yes, yes. So, okay. This is like do show, and if you haven't set the source, then it's going to show the prompt. But if I have set the source, case camera multi, then we show multi-camera, open multi-camera, open show camera. If doesn't let's make another method here, which is a little gross, but whatever. It basically needs to do the same thing, so cool. Okay, so if we set it to multi-source, I don't really know if that's the best way to do it. Result type, that's fine. Settings. Is there something you set the camera source? Okay, and it defaults to prompt. Right. Yes. So, where's my code for my sample project? This one? I think this is it. Yeah, this is the one. Alright, so in here I added a call to show the picture. Where did I add it though? Main. Ah, here it is. So so I need to add something here too. That's where. Oh geez. It's in the other. So make a uh-oh. Yeah. Shh, all these notifications. Alright. In here, so I did modify this stuff. That's all fine. But we also need to edit this. Okay. I don't know. Wait, why is it not working? There we go. Alright, yeah. So we added that there. And we added this here. So anything else we need to add in here? Let me go back to my JetBrains. And before I did a Gradle, it worked. Let's see if it works now that I added my changes. Oh, it failed. Why don't we just do that with no args? Success. Okay. Suspicious. Very suspicious. Because I know that I have to add some more things. So I actually don't think it probably should have worked. I know I have things to add in this build Gradle. I remember. Build Gradle. Where is the build? Oh, you know what? I also have to add some things. These drawables. Copy. Can we add those easily? Where do they go? Show in Resource Manager. Show in Resource Manager? No, it's not really what I want, is it? But maybe Resource Manager doesn't exist over here. That's cool. I think this like doesn't properly detect as a Android project for some reason. Let me check the existing one. Okay, so camera. No, it's not this one. It's over here. So I'll just make a new window because that one's busy. Alright, okay. Is it Res? Yo, hi. Thanks for the follow. I am working on a bug bounty right now. It's a feature in CapacitorJS. Take a look at this GitHub issue if you're interested. I made a bunch of changes and got things tested and working, but I did it in just like I cloned the repo and just started working on it. And so I need to move my changes into a fork so that I can make a PR, get the things merged into the project again, and that's what I'm working on. So I'm just trying to make sure I have all my changes properly accounted for. I think I need to make a directory in here. Android source res. It's gonna be a needs to make parents because, and then if we come back over here, should be able to paste these all in here. Add. Yes. Okay. That's those drawables. I don't think those reference any assets. I have these in assets, but I don't think they need to be because they're just drawables. They're SVGs and they just are sort of self-contained. So those should be fine by themselves. All right. Build Gradle. We have, no, not that. Anyways, why am I, what is this? Oh, it's, never mind. There we go. Whoa. It's my other project. I don't need to have those tabs up right now. Oh my goodness. What am I doing? Oh, I accidentally moved tabs. Yeah, this is what I'm working on. I took a nice little demo video. We can watch it on stream real quick. This is what the multi-camera mode looks like. So you got tap to focus. We got zooms. We have pinch to zoom. It takes pictures. And then it sends them back to the Capacitor app that called. So yeah. Alright. I need to double check my Gradle changes because I added several things. Please stop trying to move my folders around. Okay. Variables. I know I need to add a variable. So, what is this file actually? Android variables. Okay. It's in here? No? Is it not? Oh, no. It's in, it says /android/variables. Did they get rid of it? I guess I will check. I don't see that. How can I check easily if it was deleted? It's not very easy to check. Well, that's okay. Let me go back over here and see. Root project ext. Yeah, so these are somewhere. Okay. Variables. Variables. Maybe. Maybe here it is. Okay. In your apps variables.gradle. Because I guess I don't have an app in this case. So maybe I don't need to define those. Okay. But camera build. Okay, so I added these two. Oops. Do I need camera too? Can't remember what that one is. Need to go check the camera X again. and see. Ba ba ba. Is it in? There's like a user guide. Configuration, architecture. Maybe it's in here. No, that's not it. Ta-ta. I know there was a page. Maybe it's this one. Yeah, here we go. Camera 2. Okay, so I do need this then, I think. So we need these 3. Window, and I also need that window one. What was I using that for? I don't remember. Android X window. I think I was using it in one of these. Check my imports. Android X window. You know what? I'm gonna get rid of that and see if I actually still need it, because I don't think I'm using it anymore. So let's do this. And we will open. We will connect my trusty phone and we will debug. Why is debug not a thing I can do? Is there a problem? Debug app. Oh, sync. I have to sync. Duh. Gradle likes to be synced. Uh-huh. Where were we? We were a little past this song. We'll say here. Alright, now I can hit debug. And hopefully I don't actually need that window thing. Because then it's just these camera ones, which is, I think, totally makes the PR easier. Okay. I'm testing all the features to make sure they work. Seems good. Take a picture and make sure it works. Yeah, I think it's good. Alright. Then I shouldn't need that. And I can just copy those other ones here. And let's put them there. And we also added this camera X version here, which I guess I don't need to add a variable thing because that's only when the project is being used, maybe? Because I don't see it in the Git repo. Alright, okay, so we added that. We added these camera X dependencies. We added our new camera source, which I should be looking over here. Actually, we can just look at our VCS changes. Okay. Local. How do I see my changes? I am not used to using this view. Select commit to view changes. How do I just see like my actually current changes, like my staged changes? Where are those? Git console, head, local, main. Why isn't that showing anything? I see there are things that have changed. This here. Compare. This is not the view I'm looking for. This is log. Commit? Oh, okay. Yeah, sure. This is more like what I was thinking about. Okay, so group by folders, unversion files. Yeah, that's all. Ignore those. Definitions, I changed that. I changed the build Gradle. I added this camera version. Yes. And I added the usages, the implementation dependencies, dependency implementation. Okay, this whole new fragment I added, which has so much fun stuff. Then I made a change to the camera plugin. I added this error message. Permission alias constants. Yeah, that's fine. I added a new prompt, and I added that. And I added this. Yeah. If not, then reject. No camera activity. Whoa. That's not what I wanted. Okay. And I also added... Okay, this is something I need to double check, because optionals were telling me like their required API level was higher, but then when I was using them in here, this does not say anything. Like, when I was trying to use them in a different other class, these optionals were throwing warnings. In this class, it's not. So I think I actually might want to not do it with optionals. I think we will just say it can be null, and we will check if it's null, which is gross because optionals are nicer, I think, but gotta use compatible types for the platform that we're targeting. Okay. Okay. Alright. So... let's say if single doesn't equal null, okay, that fixes that. And then this one down here I need to also change. Alright, so then can take these changes back over here. Can't search in here? No. This is the wrong file. Open multi-camera, return multi-camera result. Okay. So I did a return result change. I changed that. And then I changed this, which will just take the whole method in this case. Was it this one? Yes, it's this one. Just to be safe, we're getting rid of those optionals. And return multi. It's down here, isn't it? Yes. Okay. Now let's go back to this diff view and check that. Alright. Alright. Looks good, I think. Okay, so create the return. If it's not null, resolve it. If it is null, I need to do this though. Or do I? What exactly? Return. Because I changed, I changed those, didn't I? Yes, I did. I did change those. These ones. That's some changes that I forgot about. Return. Yeah, I said don't do that. Yeah. Let's see. These and yes. Right. Why is this here? Dunno. She seems in a bit of a random place compared to some of the other things, but okay. Return data URL. Okay. Yes. Okay. Was there anything else? I need to check my phone. I was seeing some messages come through. Let me see what they were. Okay. Okay. Let me go over to this folder. I need to change my package JSON because it's actually a different place now. I put it somewhere. Okay. From the reference of that, it's /fork. Like that. Capacitor plugins. Camera. Yeah. Okay. And what was my command that I ran? It's like ionic, capacitor, run Android. Uh-oh. Ionic, capacitor. Run, build? Maybe? I'm not sure if this will work. Alright. Now... let's see... I'm not totally sure. What does that do? How did I launch this? Was it the command that it said? Camera 5.0.8? That's probably correct then, because I pulled the latest version. So what does this one say? Actually, here's another thing I can check. How do I like rebuild it? Alright, hold up. In here, I said use this folder, right? Wait, do I have to do like a update? What if I just set this to like a bogus file? Still gonna work? It is, so that's not good. How do I like actually cause a rebuild? Sync? Update? Yes? No? App. Capacitor, Cordova, Android plugins, capacitor build. I don't even know how I tested this actually. Here's the variables though. I wonder if I can... I don't want to delete that. Hold up. Let me go back over here to my app that it made me, right? So this, like, what is this? Open in terminal? Right. How do I make it use... Is this one also using that? Open in path pop-up? Open in terminal. Ah, well that's good. I don't need that. So this one here... I need to make it use the other... Let's can I close this? File, close, project? Then the commands. What commands do we have again? Copy, open, run, sync, update. We can try update. That doesn't do what we want. I might need to rename this. We'll just call it back. Good old back. Let's do a build now that folder doesn't exist. Hold up. Build Android. Okay. Ah ha ha. Good. Failed to resolve. May have incorrect. Okay. So that should exist. Do I need to possibly build that one? Build? Learner not found? Yeesh, what did I do? npm install? Yeah, I think I did this, and then I did npm run build. Yeah, I think I did this. And then this should work, hopefully. Because this is rebuilding the camera. I think it already did rebuild the camera, actually. Yeah, I see it. Took 15 seconds. Once all those are built, then I should be able to run this Android build, and it made this Android folder, and it maybe worked. Let's do this command. Did I already set this? Let's see. I don't know. No. I think I ran it like this. Which... This is my... changes. So, okay. Let's see. Open file, open. Okay, not fork. We want this app that I made. We want to open this and see how it looks. New window. Yeah, new window. Hopefully. Okay, cool. It didn't open a new window. All right. Hopefully, when this loads, I can see the camera plugin. And actually, while it's loading, let's go back to code and look in here. Oh boy, it didn't pick up that change. Why did it not pick up that change? Sync. Because I added a definition. I added that one. 6.0 beta. Right here. Should be in there. Alright, let's go to check this and see how it looks. Okay. Here's our camera that we just made. It has camera fragment. It has... Why is it? What's angry? It didn't put the drawables in. Oh, that's not good. So... Yikes. That's gonna be a problem. Camera settings... I don't think I edited that, did I? I don't think so. Camera source. I forgot my comma. Okay. I will fix that. Thumbnail wrapper. Adapter, I mean. Device utils. Okay, that all seems fine. But these drawables didn't come in here, and that's a problem. So, why didn't they? Like, what does Ionic do exactly? Ionic build Android drawables. Missing resource. Add this in your config under Android. Yo, music, you can't be doing that. We're like over an hour in. Let's go here. That's perfect. Couple things aren't working. This, for some reason, is not showing up in here. So it's angry. And the drawables aren't showing up. So how do I make it use the drawables? Ionic drawables. It's like these aren't. Maybe I need to add them to the something else too. I mean, should be able to do it, right? What is this build actually? It says it builds a library. Okay. So then maybe I need to check how do I make sure drawables are included, right? New Android include drawables. No. I'm sure you must be able to do Android plugin library. This picture is tiny. App compat drawable. Sure it just is like not publishing. Apply plugin Android library. Apply plugin. How do I just make it include the drawables? Because I think that's the issue. Dang it. This is an annoyance, but I really want those drawables. So gotta figure it out. New resource file, vector asset. Like, what does it actually add? Let's just add this one real quick. I don't think it matters. Res. Could it add anything anywhere? Manifests? What did it do when I added that? Oh man, I do not know what this like capacitor build does is the thing. Am I gonna have to find out? No. One thing I should check first is if any of these have any drawables already. Because if so... I see transparent. Where's this? Local notifications is using a drawable? Interesting. Let's take a look here. How it's doing it. Yeah. Nothing in here that's helpful. Check our build. Gradle. I'm having a little snack real quick. Not seen anything yet. Well, I don't think I'll do it that way. So why isn't it including those? If you do this, it includes it, but mine doesn't include it. That's not it. Well, I think if I figured that out, once I figured that out, I think my test app will be testable. But, for some reason, doesn't include by default. Build Gradle. Build types release, minify enabled. None of these seem different from what this one's doing. But it's not including that folder. Why? Is it this one? Yeah, this is it. Okay. Why is this red? One problem in this folder? Where's the problem? Why does it say one problem, but it won't tell me where it is? Alright, let's take a look over at local notifications. Actually, I don't know. I guess I could ask on the issue. Maybe that's what I should do. Let's just search for drawable. Google Maps is also using drawables. Do I have to add it to some... Let me check this. Where's Google Maps? Android source res. So what are these? These are tests. No. Placed in your drawable. Let's make this bigger so I can see what the heck this stuff is. Splash screen, plugin. Yeah. It doesn't seem to be doing anything. Different. E to E tests. Push notifications? Hmm. Hey Patrick, I am working on this bug bounty for CapacitorJS to enable multi-camera mode. Oh my goodness. I'm working on getting it wrapped up, trying to get a PR made for it. And currently it's going alright, other than this test app that I made. It does not include my drawables, so that's a problem because I have some icons for my camera view which are very necessary. So I'm trying to figure out how to make them, like when we do our ionic, build here, it needs to include those. I could check. Let's see. If I go look at my time spent, I can see how long. Switch it to JetBrains Studio. Let's go for monthly view. Looks like around 25 hours or so, probably. That's for just Android. I still have iOS to figure out as well. But we're not done with Android quite yet. As soon as I figure out why it's not including my resources, though, these ones. As soon as I figure out why it's not including those, we'll be ready to test it. Maybe I need to go back to Googling. I'm not gonna find it in here, am I? I should check the CapAwesome project too. Not this one. They have plugins, and I wonder if they have any that might use icons that I can look at. No? Maybe not. Not like right this second I'm not using GPT. I can ask it, but it's a little niche. It's a bit niche. I'm surprised none of these are using any drawables. I should just search here. Icons should be placed in your app's res drawable. Well... Right. Yeah, ChatGPT code quality is a concern. I agree. I mean, it's trained on so many, like, questionable resources. I don't think they have any, like, filter on, you know, quality at all, right? Like, there's plenty of Stack Overflow answers that are, like, not good practices, and, you can easily get those results. You have to, I mean, it helps if you know exactly what you need to get out of ChatGPT, right? Asset util. Where is that full? Yeah, absolutely you rely more on your own skills and ideas. You need to know what you want before you go to something like it's like just like using advanced search or, you know, Stack Overflow. Like if you can say exactly what it is you need, then you're gonna have a much easier time figuring it out. But if you're like trying to solve some problem you have no idea how to solve, then, you know, for one thing, you don't have any way to verify the answer it gives, which is obviously a problem. There must be something somewhere. Creating plugins. Hello! Hi, garlic bread. Welcome. Hope everyone's doing well today. Yeah, thanks, Patrick. It's going alright today. Got some chat movement. That's always exciting. Learn about building Android plugins. Alright. Plugin basics. Simple example. Accessing data. Blah, 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 blah. This is not what I want. Permissions. Error handling. Native screens. Where's the section on including drawables? Local notifications does it. This thing. But how do I include my own in the plugin itself? And why is it not properly incorporating? So let's get rid of this. I wonder. Let me rebuild that? How do I rebuild that? Is it build Android? I still don't know what actually this does. Copying web apps assets. Okay. Assets. Ah, there's something in here now. Is there actually something in there? Let's go over here. It's not in here. It is in here. Right. We don't want it there. We want it in there. So, what is it doing when I make that? No, that's not what we want. Resources, also not what we want. I don't think we want anything in here. This is what we need to change. Something in here needs to change. Maybe we need to look at the scripts. What is in the scripts? Let's check that. Android. Publish module. Yeah, publish root. Maybe this has something. Publish module. Lib. Capacitor. MJS. This does not seem like the thing. Apply patches. Publish Android. Res. Draw. No. Bold below for reference only. Gotta love just a big old block of commented code that says don't use this anymore. Alright, what was this publish module doing? Android source sets, Java source dirs for all of those. But why? Camera. I feel like that I'm just missing something. Let's go into our VS Code here. This one. This one. Yo, Aiden? I don't know if you want to be called bootleg. Thanks for that follow. I appreciate it. Ah, actually, this is all in Kotlin. I was wondering if they use Kotlin at all. Alright, well, thank you for that follow. Hope you're having a good day. I am currently fiddling with this code, trying to figure out why it is not including these drawable resources. These ones. Am I doing something wrong? Let me double check again how the local, what is it? It's called local notifications. This one. Android source main. res. Did I put it in the wrong place? Res. Drawable. Wait. Something in there! Where is this? Oh, yikes. Well, no wonder. I'm an idiot, that's why. Let's put them in the correct folder and see if it fixes it, hey? That might be why. And oh geez. Go fix this music again. Alright. Now, do I need to rebuild completely? I don't know. I sort of feel like I might need to be... Actually, you know what it is? I think I might need to run this again. It says there was nothing to do. There was nothing to do. Well, that's a lie. So how do I like, what's a clean step? None of these seem like what I want. So let's update all. I don't know. Maybe? That... no. I don't think that did the right thing. Wait. Maybe it did. There's all my drawables. Awesome. Which means, if I run this, it might work. So I have this app, my test app, which is not this. It is this one. Although, I also don't know why this isn't pulling in successfully, so that's annoying. Let's rebuild our thing here, and then we can... I'll plug in my device. Let's plug in my phone. And we will go over to Android Studio. And... not this Android Studio. This one? Is this it? I think this is the one. How do I check exactly? Capacitor, camera... Yeah, okay. So this is my app. My test app, which now has all of my changes in it. I see the fragment, and the thumbnail adapter, and the drawables, and it looks like it will compile. So let's check. It's building. Oh, I need to fix that. Did I close that other JetBrain? No, it's this one. I didn't close it. That's good, because I forgot a comma? No, it's here. Okay. That's good. Oh geez. Cannot access record for file not found. What do you mean? Well, that's very annoying. Did it have to add a hash map? What's happening? Okay, first of all, though, this here, I think I have to change those. Did they not update those? I thought they did. Like in the default plugins, I thought they updated to target 34. Yeah, like this, they did that. Did they not set it to 34 though? History? Upgrade to 3.2. Why? And where? Where is that set? Where is this? Project has properties. Or else 30. Okay, so I guess I can change that. What did it do when I actually did it actually do an import? Cannot resolve simple hash map. Import class? Did I not have it imported? What are you serious? Fragment transaction. Did it really not have these? Like, how did I compile it before? Hold up. Let me make sure that's actually making changes in here too. Okay. Camera plugin. Yeah. So, what? Why were those not... Oh, I know, because I didn't copy all of those when I was copying my changes over. That's fine. Fine. I accept that. And what else? Uh-huh. That's all fine. Good. This guy says can't do records. Is that true? Java lang record not found. Do I need to import that or something? Maybe not. Let's make this a regular class then. Class. Add a getters generate. Add a getter and a setter. I don't know if I need a setter. We're just gonna call getter. Why is that not giving me an option? Refactor. No, it's not refactor. It's in like code, isn't it? I don't know. We're just gonna say by hand. Perfect. Now this is gonna say, oh, you could be a record, couldn't you? My goodness. Maybe static. Make static. Okay. And now let's sync. Okay. But I gotta wrap up the stream for today pretty soon. Let me see if this builds now that I made those couple changes, and if it does, then I will call that a success, and I will probably wrap the stream at that point. Something is not right. It's kinda working. I think I'm missing a break somewhere. Open. See. Show prompt. Ah, this break here. I was missing. Because I'm a noob! Alright, and it's not showing me the camera, which we should just do a little hackety hack right here to make sure that it properly. Yeah, that seems fine. Okay, so this one should work then. Preview view's not working. Huh. Open multi-camera is calling this. It's doing that stuff. So why is my preview view not showing up then, eh? Oh, well, it's a semi-success. I'm just not seeing the camera preview for some reason. And why? Why am I not seeing the camera preview? Where, do I do my camera setup? It's in here. Yes, yes, yes. Camera controller set preview, isn't it? Set preview, take picture, set. Oh, did I? Create preview view, set controller, camera controller, on view created. Should be this. So preview view is real. It does exist. Set up camera. Right. Build. Set camera selector. That should actually do the real business. Preview. Oh, you know what? I think I know what it is. I think there's another permission I forgot to put in here, which is causing it, and I can just quickly do that, I think. But I need to know what it was called, and it is in this one that I... No, it's not. It's in this folder. Which one of these am I in? Yeah. Source. Main. Android manifest. Yeah, it's this one, right? Uses permission. I think that'll fix it. Aha! While using the app? Yeah, I don't need my breakpoint anymore, because that's gonna work. It does work. Fantastic. Tap to focus. My zoomies are working. Flipping to selfie mode is working. The flash is working. It's all working. It's all here. I am winning. I am very much winning right now. How you doing, Nick? Let me make sure these changes are in here. Okay, so yes, that's a change I want. These changes are good. Well, you can procrastinate with me. I permit it. Add that, and the hash map. New mode. Add the new mode. Alright. Nice. Are you going for a CS degree? Nice. What year are you in, if you don't mind saying? I am very American. Okay. Let's see. Go check their commits again. Fix camera. And they put it in parens. Okay. Where is that issue? Oh. Yeah, 4 year. Mine was 4 years. What do you do? Are you a Brit and it's more than 4 years? Is that what I'm... Okay. So the learning is in full effect. Lots to learn. I think this is the way they do it. Three years, okay. That sounds like a challenge, because I assume it's a little bit accelerated. Let's commit and push. Ah, interesting. Well, that's a pretty nice deal though if you can get a master's in 5, because usually in the US most master's programs are like 2 year, I think. So I mean, there are actually a good amount of 1 year master programs, so it would end up being the same 5 year masters, but right, yep. But in the case of the US system, you get some programs will do a master's in 1 year, so you get a 4-year degree, and then you can get a master's in 1 year. I do need to add this. Yeah, but the 1 year programs are pretty intense, I think. I have a bachelor in CS. Bachelor's of Comp Sci. It was good fun. I enjoyed every minute of it, and I wish I could have taken only CS courses, but they made me take other ones. I think I'm pretty sure this is on my branch, right? I did not try to check out their things, so I should be able to push this. 48 errors. Review code analysis. I think this is a lie. I'm going to commit anyway. Yeah, push that stuff. Push it. Push failed. Rude. How could it say such a thing to me? Yeah, they do a lot of diagrams, don't they? I remember plenty of diagrams, but I didn't have to make too many of them. But there are a lot of ones you had to look at. So hopefully I can push this. Yeah. Yeah. Now. My repositories. Yeah, look, it's my commit. Okay. This looks good. Alright, I don't know if I want to make the PR right now. I think I want to leave it for the rest of the day. Yeah. I feel you on that. You just want to write code and there's so much other stuff they want to have you do. I think I had to write some papers sometimes, you know. There were like just any non-coding thing. I was like, why am I doing this? But I think it's worth it. I look back on that time fondly. I'm glad that I got the degree instead of just trying to, like, you know, find a job with no degree. I think I definitely learned some valuable things anyway. Alright, so I have my stuff here. I'm ready to make a PR. I don't know if I don't want to do it right now, because I gotta wrap the stream up, unfortunately. And I will be back tomorrow, though, at some point. I think I might have some kind of unemployment meeting. I'm not totally sure. Yeah, I don't have anything scheduled yet. 30-minute stream. No, it was actually 2 hours. Like half hour ago, there was like some kind of service glitch. Says Twitch servers requested reconnect, disconnected, and then I don't know what happened. I'm not sure why. But it was actually like about 2 hours. Which is a bit short for the day, but I have to go do some stuff. So, unfortunately. But it was good chatting. Definitely feel free to come back. And hope that I helped you procrastinate a bit. Oh no. No mental breakdowns. Unless they're contained. You must contain the mental breakdowns. Cool. Well, anyways, thanks again for anybody who stopped by. Feel free to come back tomorrow. I'll be streaming again. And I'll probably get that PR actually made now that I have it committed. Like, all I have to do is go over to here. Maybe? Sync fork? Update? Update branch. This branch is out of date. Oh, because they made a commit. Update? Can I do that? Branch is not behind. Contribute. Open pull request. Yeah, so all I have to do is do that. And I should definitely do it tomorrow, because otherwise they will be making more changes and they'll have to do another sync, and that's no fun. Maybe I should do it now. You know what? Maybe I'll just do it now. Can I just go like this? And what? Multi-photo camera option for Android. I'm just gonna do it. What's the worst that could happen? Nice. This repository has now 65 open pull requests. Oh boy. Good luck getting it merged. Does it seem like they're actually like, let's see. Here's a feature. Support iOS suites. Somebody made. Yeah. Oh, no. Not the music. Come back. Huh? Alright. Wow, this would be awesome. Please approve the PR. Who are they talking to? Who is this person? Well, we'll see if this gets much notice from the Capacitor team. But it's here. And we'll see what they say. And I guess next I still need to figure out how to work on iOS. So I will be putting some work into that. Need to see about getting like a Mac OS VM. How to install? Can I get like an image? VZ Mac OS Restore? Create a VM, install the restore image. Obtaining a Mac OS Restore image is you have to have a Mac to get it. Maybe I can get somebody to give me a Mac OS Restore image. I must be able to find one somewhere, right? You need an ISO. Can only create that file on a Mac. Yeah, but How do I not create it on a Mac? Surely there must be some disreputable site that will just give it to me, right? Is this how you do it? I don't know. I'm not sure. Tech Wretched? Tech Wretched? Aha! Download the ISO. Yeah. Disclaimer. It's created only for testing. We are not responsible if anyone is misusing the image. Yes. Yes, you are not responsible, but I might misuse it. It's possible. I might. So maybe we'll do that. The mega link is kind of sketchy. We'll see. I might have to get a virtual machine image, but let's not do that right now. I think I'm gonna wrap it up. Let's we have some viewers. Maybe we can do a raid on somebody real quick. Let's see. I'm going to check if anybody is raidable. Let's see. Can I raid Adam Learns? No, I think he has raids disabled for hey, we are almost halfway to our 50 followers goal. That is not bad. Let me go on the software dev category and see if there's anybody that I can send my viewers to. How about low-level learning? Is that dude okay? Maybe they allow raids. Let's see. Oh, looks like they do. One viewer is ready to raid. I don't know. One viewer. Do I only have one viewer? 2 viewers. Okay. I think 2 viewers is okay. What 1 viewer raid is pretty rough, but 2 viewers is okay. So let's do that. Let's send them. Send you guys over there. All right. We are out.